Hey, doing a initial inspection in rekey. The neighbor said the house has been vacant. They moved out. Got a little debris. It's like canned stuff. The bathroom. All the cabinets are cleaned out. Second bedroom. Walls look a little dirty. Carpets need to be cleaned. Again, closet. Got the laundry room here. The garage. Third bedrooms, right? So I came in. Coat closet, kitchen, ceiling. Still dog food in there. Primary, dual vanity, library. If you need information about this home or others, or help out that door, contact us.